One of the main concerns we have from homeowners is that my HVAC system is making noise. One of the main causes of a noise could be a dirty blower wheel causing bearing failure. Right here we have an old blower wheel from a furnace we've replaced. As you can see, the dust accumulates inside of the fan blades. It's very important that we do not open up our furnace as homeowners and reach into a moving system. This wheel rotates at a very high speed and can cause bodily damage. Do not reach inside of your HVAC system. If it's making a very bad noise through the furnace, make sure to shut the system down and call your HVAC contractor.